One of the biggest issues after a natural disaster is food. Most Japanese homes and companies are well prepared with stocks of emergency food. These cardboard boxes are packed with long-lasting survival rations. One staple is bread, sealed in cans. Even years later, it's as light and fluffy as bread fresh from the oven. There's even dessert, like this delicious chocolate cake. Japan has a vast menu of emergency foods to pick from. Retort pouch products offer the widest choice. The meals in these retort pouches are pre-cooked and heat sterilized before sealing, so you can eat them straight from the pouch if needed. The special technology used for these aluminum retort pouches was developed in Japan. The aluminum material allows the pouches to be thin and flexible, as well as airtight and light-proof. This prevents the contents oxidizing and deteriorating and preserves the flavor over the long term. This hamburger steak contains no preservatives or other chemicals, and yet years later, it will be as tasty as ever. Self-heating meals are also popular. Pulling the string activates the heating agent, and in a few minutes you'll be enjoying a piping hot meal. Another major problem in disasters is water. City water supplies may fail, and drinking water can be hard to find. Bottled water is available that stays good to drink for at least 5 years. Having water makes it simple to create meals using freeze-dried foods. Just add hot or cold water and they're ready to eat. These products are made by freezing food and then drying it in a vacuum. This gives them an extremely long shelf life. Pour cold or boiling water into this pouch and out comes an instant rice meal. Keeping stocks of emergency rations you'll only use in disasters is wasteful, so people are encouraged to incorporate these foods into daily household meals. Stocking foods just for emergencies is not good since they keep expiring. It's better to buy foods you can also eat as regular meals and rotate your supplies. Mayuko Imaizumi is a nutritionist who specializes in creating tasty meals using emergency foods. For example, if you have no water or heat, she suggests using canned vegetable juice to reconstitute freeze-dried products. This is a speedy way to produce a tasty and nutritious meal. In the aftermath of a disaster, we need all the help and reassurance we can get. Being able to enjoy your favorite foods at home comforts the spirit. Imaizumi wants to preserve our quality of life even during disasters, with survival food that's delicious to eat. She teaches cooking techniques that will be most useful in survival situations. Today's workshop is at a school. Japanese schools are often used as disaster evacuation sites. Now I know how simple it is to make such delicious meals even in an emergency. I plan to do what she says and make these preparations. I was amazed. I never expected it to be so tasty. Japan continues to pioneer emergency food technologies with meals that will be safe to eat and taste great even in a disaster.